We're back downstairs, and I pushed up these to hold the plastic out of them, and they'll go from one to the on this one and one on the other one. I got them both up there with the plastic taken out of the center. It's yellow film, and now I'm gonna see if this fits the hole and twist these clips in and tighten it down. Pretty tight fit. Now, we can take this out, but what I'm going to do is leave it there for now. That will pull out, and then you can, if you feel like you need to, you can put foil tape on the inside and make sure there's plenty of reflection. But I think there's going to be a lot of reflection come through there. The problem is today, it's going to be too hot to be reasonably sending somebody up in there to connect these two together. So I will take this up again tomorrow, and we'll finish it up. And we got plenty of other things to do on this job. So see you tomorrow.